All right, we're recording the sewer line here today at 13745 22nd Avenue Northeast. Date's August 25th, 2020. This is a total line replacement, or relining, I should say, of the sewer line here that we did with Bob Oates Plumbing. I am Casey, representative of Bob Oates Plumbing. And what we're looking at here right now is the Seattle City mainline sewer. So as we come back from this point, we are going to see a little bit of concrete and then our liners. So proposal says within 1 foot of the mainline sewer. We are well within that range, probably 6 inches, if that, from the mainline sewer. So we're going to come back. We're coming into a 6-inch diameter new flow cure-in-place pipe liner. It is extremely smooth and looks awesome so far. So coming backwards towards the clean out we installed here. And we're coming back into 4-inch diameter now. So it's a little bit squiggly there at the top of the liner. That's because the liner is transitioning from 4-inch to 6-inch diameter. That little squiggly part at the top is not going to affect sewage flowing along the bottom of the line at all. We are now back into 4-inch diameter sewer line. And we're coming around a little turn there, and we're coming into the plastic repair we've installed. So as you can see, almost a seamless transition from plastic to liner. It looks actually great. That entire liner turned out about as good as they can get. So coming up the clean out now, this is a vertical section of pipe. I'm going to show you our repair down in the hole there. There is the repair. So we install the new turn, new plastic pipe as it exits the house, and then liner all the way down to the main. So the project actually turned out fantastic, and we're going to end the video there.